Good morning, guys. How you guys doing today? Brand new day. Couldn't join the webinar last night because of traffic coming from the mainland. So I was so tired I couldn't make this video. So I'm up now and ready to go. So my watch list basically is what we're going to face today. Euro USD. I'll make this video quick. Daily time frame, you can see we had a strong push to the downside yesterday and very strong candle right there. Notice how we've been seeing some signs of rejection. Those are weeks right there telling us that this guy is ready to push down. After we had this pull run, it's rejected from a high, which was our take profit. Was our take profit on last week trade, and we are looking to trade this guy all the way back to the low again. And unfortunately, we didn't get an entry up there, but then I'm looking for some entry today. I'm already in this trade in particular. Took an entry yesterday. I was supposed to post, but then it was not a high probability trade setup. That's why I didn't post. So today, this is what we've got. As you can see, we had impulse correction yesterday. That was when I entered, and I'm still holding stop loss and break even. So today we'll be looking at this. You can see how we had the structure where we had the previous, resistance, which was nice support right there, and notice how price broke through. Yeah. So if you pay attention to that level, and also on SWOT, I think you can see our EMA also, so I'll see some rejection. So that is what I'm expecting for more push to the downside, basically. That's what I'm expecting on Euro USD. So if we get an impulsive breakout, that means this setup is invalid. Looking for more push to the upside. But anything other than that, this is a market structure. You can see higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher lower high right here, and then we had to break. So I'm expecting some correction for a continuation to the downside on Euro USD, and I'm looking to hold on to that trade for some 175 pips. So once it's time for entry, I'll let you guys know. But for now, we're just waiting. I'll let you guys know. I'll send on the group. USD card, perfect trade yesterday, but then, I didn't take it because I was already on Euro USD. Strong bullish daily candle. Lovely shift momentum from the downtrend, as you can see. Price moving. So no correction, way overbought. You don't want to be buying at a high price. We already overbought on SOHA time frame. 4 time frame still looking strong, like we are not even ready to come. So what I'm waiting for right here is some correction. I don't want to be buying right here. So I'd love to see correction potentially to 20 EMA and look to go long. So I'll be looking to go long here. If we get correction, GBP USD is quite similar to Euro USD, same thing, same price action, anticipating the same thing. Looking to take this guy to 170 pips right there. Yeah, 163. I really wish I'm already in this trade to an entry yet, but then I was waiting for a clear confirmation. So now we get a nice breakout, and this is more like a corrective phase, as you can see. It's a corrective phase, corrective structure. Breakout and further push the downside. I would love to see price retest 20 EMA. Or anything other than that, if we have a strong 4-hour candle, and then I guess I'll have to enter because price won't really matter when it comes to GU. If once we're taking off, GU, one thing about it is the London section now, so it's time to move. And if it's gonna move, definitely the price action is showing we are definitely going to the downside. So let's see some correction to 20 for entry, nice rejection, and I'll call the shot. Gold, obviously everything is dropping, Bitcoin is dropping, as you can see. Lovely structure break and potential flag forming, not complete yet. You can't sell this. Okay, so this one is even giving us more confirmation that Euro USD is not ready, GBP USD is not ready. USD card potentially it's not ready. So we wait for these guys to complete. Just forming flag and see on the 1 hour, nothing really, just two structure, two touches complete. So we have to take out this high now, break out. Yeah, so we're not ready. So why we're going to do that, definitely we're going to see some rejection of 2 hour 20 EMA, which I would likely love to see to execute this trade. Euro JPY looking good. We had this bearish candle. Notice it was a strong one, but not that really strong. They didn't even engulf, we didn't break the previous one. But notice how this is 1 day, and we had 3 days trading within that 1 day. What is that telling you? Because if there's a strong, if there's a momentum in the bullish side, like if the bulls are really strong, they would have just taken this candle out with just one candle, just like what happened here, with just one candle. But then we have 3 candles trading within. So that's telling you that buyers are losing momentum. This is a potential scoop and double top formation right here. Scoop, perfect time to execute that trade for me. I'm waiting to see how the 4 hour candle close. We get 4 hour candle, strong 4 hour candle closure. That'll be my entry. So potential shift in momentum coming through, after all of this trend. We want to see some reversal scoop. Look how 4 hour these 2 hour candles are small. The drop is going to be nothing but massive. So we're still trading above EMA, have that in mind. So you need a strong candle that is different from all of these candles. So we need more like a candle like this candle, this kind of strong candle. Let's say strong candle like this, out of that zone, the previous one as well, and this one just candle that will reject strong, not a bearish candle that is still looking like every other candle inside of that corrective phase. Okay, so we need strong candles. See, when we are ready to move, boom, strong candles. That's what we get. So that's what I would love to see to execute the trade on Euro JPY. This guy, same thing, looking for bearish movement. We broke past EMA already. We already buy. Let's come down small at least. So we're looking for sell as well. Had daily candle bearish closure, strong one. So big move potentially coming today. Let's see a break of those structure 1 hour. You can see corrective phase sideways. Obviously, it's a corrective phase or continuation. And let me see if we're gonna reject 20 EMA. Right? If we didn't break out strong, that will be an entry. I'll update you guys just like I've said. The DXY, shift to momentum from the dollar index, vice versa of what's happening in Euro USD. Since we break out, blah, blah. So let's correct and let's continue. If this guy just keeps going up, that means we're going to see some drop. But if this guy corrects, that means yes, we're going to see some more push to the upside, and that's what I'd love to see. That's 100 moving sideways for now. Nothing to commit for now, but let's see how this goes. I will keep you guys updated. GDP and ZD, let's break out of that structure. Let's have a shift momentum or a continuation. We are correcting for now. So let's see. This guy gives us that break. Then we want to start a new trend, and you want to get involved and hold your position all the way to the up. I'll keep you guys updated. ADC Chef. I love ADC Chef so much because of the price action. Though it's slow, but it has a lovely price action that you can never imagine. So we've seen a retest today of that structure. Yesterday, bearish was not really strong. You can see we had some weak, but then the candle is bearish, which makes it bearish, projecting from this high, and we'd love to see some push to the downside again. And this pair is one pair that I would say is very, very straightforward, very easy to trade. So let's see how this 4 hour candle is going to close in about an hour, 45 minutes time from now, and I'll keep you guys updated. AUD, boom, this one is already going crazy. I was going to wait for the 4 hour candle, but my guy ain't got no chill. Lovely flag, after a lovely shift to momentum. flag 20 MA retest. Boom, it did. Flag. This one is going already. You can chase it. Wait for entries. Lower time frame. Okay. Let the forward candle closes. It's already been strong, and then I'll send an entry when I see one on this card going already. This one is going to go far. Let's see, because we broke through yesterday previous daily support. This strong candle, so these are the kind of candle I see. I just enter sell once the daily candle closes. So we're going to see some more push to the downside on cards, JPY. After this correction, more push to the downside. Yes, these are I would love to see trading on a strong key level. You know, see price rejected impulsively right here. You can see strong candle. So came there rejected again. So let this one shift. Okay, let it break out, correct, then that's the entry. Going long. Again, so that's what's up, guys. Pay attention to the news we have today. You see we have Wednesday, we have card news at 3 p.m. So GDP 4 p.m. And card conference is today as well. So you want to be careful trading card here today. The profit move your stop loss to break even. Get some perfect entry if you're frantically trade. Okay, I'll keep you guys updated once it's 10 a.m. So you guys see me send markups. So have a great day.